In this video, I'll show you how to compress a PowerPoint PPT file in just 60 seconds. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. The main thing to understand is that images take up most of the file size, so we'll start by compressing them. Click on any image in your presentation, then go to the Picture Format tab and select Compress Pictures. Keep the basic options enabled and choose Use Default Resolution, then click OK. This will immediately reduce the image size inside your presentation. Next, go to File, then click Save As, and open More Options. From there, go into Advanced Settings. Enable Discard Editing Data, and then lower the default resolution to reduce the file size even more. After that, save the presentation as a new file instead of overwriting the original. This ensures you keep a compressed version that is much smaller and easier to share via email or online. That's it! Your PowerPoint file is now compressed and ready to send. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.